In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Capcut export not working. Now picture this. You've just put the final touches on your Capcut masterpiece. Perhaps it's a long vlog packed with all sorts of creative edits and cool effects. You click that export button, wait patiently, maybe even grab a snack during the 20 to 25-minute process. Finally, you rush over to your phone's gallery to admire your creation and nothing! The video is nowhere to be found. This issue is particularly common with larger, high-quality videos and can certainly throw a wrench into your plans. Let's take a moment to consider what might be causing this hiccup. First, if you happen to be using an unofficial or modded version of CapCut, this could be the source of your troubles. Glitches are more prevalent in these versions. So, for a smoother experience, downloading the official CapCut app from the App Store or Google Play Store is key, especially for Android users, since this issue tends to occur more with them. All right, now let's dive into the fix to ensure your exported video becomes visible in your gallery. The first thing you're going to do is head over to the Play Store and download a neat little app called Zarchiver. It's a user-friendly file management app that will help you access those hidden files on your device. Once you've installed Zarchiver, open it up. You'll likely be prompted to grant some permissions. Make sure to approve these so the app can do its job effectively. With Zarchiver open, tap on the search icon and type LV. That's the letters L and V. This will pull up video files that have recently been exported from CapCut. So if your exported video didn't show up in your gallery, you should be able to see it listed here. What this tells us is that your video file is indeed saved somewhere on your device, but your gallery app just hasn't picked it up yet. Now, to make your video visible, touch and hold the video file until options appear and then select Cut. Afterward, navigate to your download folder. Once you're there, tap the small paste icon at the bottom of the screen. This action will move your video file into the downloads folder. As soon as it's placed there, your gallery app will recognize it, and presto, the video will appear. Go ahead and open your gallery app now. There you have it. Your exported CapCut video should be readily visible and waiting for you to watch or share as you please. And just like that, we've solved the problem. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful insights, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any lingering questions. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.